I would say absolutely come to it. It was a lot of fun, and I would guarantee that you would take something from it.
If someone were on the edge about going to or even organizing a workshop, what would you say to them?
You learn a lot from David, and you also learn from the other people that are going to be in the room with you.
I think that while it's a very small workshop in terms of duration, it can have an outsized impact, and it will have an outsized impact on how I go back into the world.
I would say to anyone that might be in the same place and sitting a little bit on the fence, come. This is a workshop that focuses on how do you bring people together more in this world, and gives tactics at how we can all do a better job at that.
It's going to change you. It's going to give you some practical, do right in the moment, immediately useful tools.
I was on the fence too, but coming to this and making sure, finding out it's a safe space, it's really great for white people to attend this. It's not about making us feel racist or ashamed or guilty. It's to empower us to be good allies. Come to this workshop.